I do epilepsy research. My research primarily focuses on epilepsies that arise from mutations in sodium channels. Sodium channels are critical for the function of the cells in your brain and for the ability of those cells to communicate with each other. Human mutations that have been identified in patients have been put into the fruit fly, and we're using these fruit flies to identify the effects of those mutations, how those mutations contribute to seizures, and then we're using those flies as a way to find new drug targets and test new medicines. Now, the ultimate goal is to provide a new platform, a new way to quickly screen the effects of these mutations, and then a way for a new platform for drug discovery. One of the issues with epilepsy is there's no cure. All we can really do is treat it and reduce the likelihood that they're going to have another seizure. So the idea with this project is we can increase the rate at which we can potentially do new drug discovery, but also because we can put specific mutations into the flies, we can actually develop personalized therapies. So a fly would have the same mutation as a patient. We can then test drugs against the fly and then say it's likely that this drug might work best in this particular patient. The Public Impact Fellowship has helped me financially. It's allowed me to focus on my research during this last part of my grad studies. I normally do a lot of TAing, and with the fellowship I was able to basically focus on completing my research and working on my thesis. The other thing is the Public Impact Fellowship has given me a lot of unique opportunities. The first being that it's allowed me the opportunity to practice sharing my research with groups who I normally would not share it with. So I was able to speak about it with the general public, with those higher up in the administration of UC Irvine, but also was able to share my research with legislators at the California State Capitol, which was this great opportunity.